Question 3a, we need to find the value of 7p minus 4q when p is equal to negative 3 and q is equal to negative 2. So we just need to plug those values of p and q into this expression here. So the only thing we need to be careful about is we've got these negative numbers. So we've got 7 times p, so we're going to have 7 times negative 3, and then minus 4 times negative 2. So that's going to be equal to, well, 7 times negative 3 is negative 21, and we've got here minus 4 times minus 2. So we've got a negative and a negative, so that makes a positive. So that means negative 4 times negative 2 is equal to positive 8. And our final answer then is negative 21 plus 8, which is equal to negative 13. Question 3, part B. We're going to multiply out the brackets and simplify. So for this first bracket, in the brackets we've got 3x minus 4. So we're going to multiply everything in that bracket by 2. So what we have then is 2 times 3x, which is equal to 6x. And then we have 2 times minus 4, which is minus 8. And then for the next bracket, we're going to have 3 times 2x. So we're going to add 6x. And then we have 3 times minus 3, which is minus 9. So now we just group like terms together. So we've got these x's here, the 6x and this 6x, and then we have this minus 8 and minus 9. So adding the terms of x together, we have then 6x plus 6x is equal to 12x, and then we have minus 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 17. So that's our answer for 3b. For question 3c, we need to solve this equation here. So we'll start by multiplying out the brackets on both sides. So on the left hand side, we're going to have our 2x, and then we've got this minus 3 times 1, so that is minus 3. Then we've got minus 3 times minus 4x, so that's a negative and a negative, which makes a positive. So we have plus 12x, and that is equal to, we've got this 2 times 11 is 22, and then 2 times minus 3x is minus 6x. That's that one there. Okay, so on the left hand side, we've got this 2x and this 12x, so we can simplify that a little bit. So 2 plus 12 is 14, so we're going to have then 14x minus 3 is equal to 22 minus 6x. So now we'll get all the x's on one side. So on the right hand side, I've got this minus 6x here. So I'll add 6x to both sides. So that'll get rid of that minus 6x from the right hand side here. So adding 6x to both sides then, we get 20x minus 3 is equal to 22. And now if we add 3 to both sides, that'll get rid of that minus 3 on the left hand side there. So now we get 20x is equal to 25, because 22 plus 3 is 25. And now if we divide the both sides by 20, that'll get rid of the 20 on the left hand side there. So we'll end up with then x is equal to 25 over 20. And if we simplify that, we're going to have 5 over 4, because 5 is a common factor between 25 and 20. So we get 5 over 4. You can leave your answer like that, or we can write it as a mixed number, which is 1 and 1 over 4, or we can write it as a decimal, 1.25. Okay, so that is our answer to question 3C.